Hello everyone, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If you've never been here before, thank you so much for choosing to spend your time with me on today. For those of you who are coming back, thank you so much. Your girl appreciates it. Now, if you are currently not a subscriber to the Seasoned Beauties family, by all means, hit that subscribe button below and become a part of the family. We'd be more than happy to have you. There's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. So go ahead and hit that button. And then while you're in the general vicinity, go ahead and hit the notifications bell. And when you do that, you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Now, the reason for this video on today is going to be a couple of things all combined in one. The first thing being my apologies to you that I have not uploaded in about 2 weeks. Well, the thing is, it's not that I wasn't recording, because I did record. However, when I went to upload the videos, there was no footage. Not sure what happened, not making any excuses, just picking myself up, brushing it off, and getting back onto the groove of it, okay? So, moving right along. Now, I do want to let you know about some new things that will be coming to Seasoned Beauties in the year 2019. The first one I'd like to tell you about is a new segment called Seasons Happen. And the fact that I've been on this earth for a few years, I've been married for quite a few. I do have children as well as grandchildren. However, I've gone through some things in my life, and sometimes we really don't understand why, but for whatever the reason, I have learned from the things that have gone on, and I believe that not everything is just for us. So I do have some things that, I believe will help you to not make the same mistakes I made. Or if you're going through some of those things right now, you'll know that you are not alone. There is someone else that has gone through them, and you can get through them as well. So we're going to have that little segment introduced as well. There are some very personal topics that will come up. If you have a particular topic that you would like to discuss or get some information on, just send me a message. My contact information is here. Send me a message. You don't even have to say who you are, just the things you want to talk about. Now, there are some other things that will require you to be of the age of 18, okay? So just watch out for those. And I'm considering doing them 1 day a week, okay? There are a lot of things that have gone on, and we'll just be talking about them. Some things may surprise you. Some things you will say, there's no way. But trust me, we will do what we have to do to make sure that we help our family members to succeed. Okay? Now, there are some other things that are coming, but they are so totally surprises. Okay? So, watch for those. And of course, our unboxings, our get ready with me's, and the usual. Okay? Now, I will be doing some of my natural hair care on here, as well as I'm going to show you how we refresh wigs, be them synthetic, human, the blends. We're going to show you how to refresh them on this channel as well. Okay, so right now I want to tell you I found a couple of boxes that I hadn't opened, and I want to share them with you, so that you can see the items that are here. The very first one we're going to talk about is the Winter Walmart Beauty box. Okay, that one came in. This one is a seasonal box. It is $5, and it's loaded with literal samples. Okay, they're samples. They're not always deluxe samples. They are just sample products. Okay, new things that come on the market, as well. I did want to make sure that I showed it to you anyway. So this is the winter 2018-2019 bag. Okay, and it looks like this. Okay, it's a faux patent leather. Okay, with the Walmart symbol. Okay, so we'll just jump in and see what's inside. The first thing is a unicorn glow holographic mask. Okay, and this says it is a detoxing and brightening mask. Okay, did I say holographic? No, this says hologram mask. Okay, and it says the hologram mask is soaked in a unique double-sided black charcoal and hologram sheet. Charcoal helps to detox and purify skin. Plant extract delivers and nourishes skin. Okay, so that's the Unicorn Glow hologram mask. Okay, so that's item number one. Item number two is an Olay Daily Facials, the Daily Hydrating Clean 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, a scrub, a toner, a mask, and a cleanser. And this does include one cloth. Okay. Not bad. Then we have, this is the Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream, all right, with hyaluronic acid. Deeply hydrates for 24 hours, and it brightens and smooths, and it is hypoallergenic, okay? Then we have the Garnier Skin Active New Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day Night Mask. Okay, and it says the day it soothes and hydrates skin daily. Night it nourishes and nurtures skin night after night. And as a mask, it says left on for 10 minutes intensely nourishes and reduces skin's tightness. Okay, then we have the Garnier Fructis Damage Repairing Treat 1-minute mask. This is a hair mask, and it's with papaya extract. Okay, and it says this is a vegan formula, no silicones, no parabens, and no artificial colorants. Okay, all right, and the last item is by the company Curel, and this is a hydrotherapy wet skin moisturizer. That means right out of the shower before you dry your skin off. Okay, you use this, and it says apply daily to experience soft, healthy skin you can only imagine. Okay, so that's the last product that we have in here, and this is the Winter Walmart Beauty Bag. The next one, don't come for me, y'all. Don't come for me. This is the Allure Beauty Box. I know. I already told you that I would have been canceling it in December. However, I received a letter via email from Allure that said if I did not cancel, they would give me my next 4 months for $10 each. So I did that, And I have to tell you the truth, I'm glad I did, because the products that came in just in the month of January were amazing. Okay, now first, when we open the box, of course we get our little pamphlet. Okay, and this is for the month of January, and this is a Thrill of the New. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at the products that come in here. First, let me just show you the new packaging for the Allure bag. Okay, it's a little plastic pouch. It comes packed with a whole bunch of goodies, y'all. So now, okay, this is like so overly packed. Mine came busting at the seams, but nonetheless, we'll just go ahead and take a look, see what's in here. Okay, now the first product that we received is the Oya Scalp and Body Scrub. Okay, and this one says the idea of using the same scrub for your body and scalp is novel, but actually makes a lot of sense. This one works well everywhere because it buffs with sugar, one of the gentlest exfoliators around. The manufacturer suggested retail price on this item is $38. I'm pretty sure it's not this item or this size of the item, okay? But the actual size, this one is 1 ounce, 30 grams, okay? And it says this can be purchased at the W.O.C, which is the brand's page, okay? And we do have a promo code to get 15% off on our order. So let's just check this out. Okay, it's nicely sealed. It's got the little pop top piece on there. Okay, of course it's got the granules in it. Why? Because it is a scrub and it uses sugar. Rubbed it in on our skin, and then we're going to go ahead and just wipe it off here. Gave my skin a little bit of a nice buffed out feeling. Okay, so that's item number 1. Item number 2 is by Sunday Riley. Okay, and this is the high dose retinol serum, A+ high dose retinol serum. It says presenting another new Sunday Riley product. This one is a lightweight retinol for smoothing lines and brightening complexions. Okay, the manufacturer suggested retail price for the full-size product. Hello? Is my microphone on? $85. $85. And it says you can purchase this at Sephora or Sephora.com. Now, I expected it to come out clear, but it did not. It came out kind of like a milky consistency. And I'm going to put it right over that area where I scrubbed. This is the Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Okay, and this says this hair mask is light, so it's easy to spread, but it's loaded with hydrating ingredients like jojoba seed oil, panthenol, and sea buckthorn seed oil. Okay, you're supposed to leave it on for 5 to 7 minutes, but the person that tried this out says they only had 2 and it still left her hair feeling really soft. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $28, and this too can be purchased at Sephora and Sephora.com. The next product that we have is by the company W.O.C. Okay, here we go. And this is the W.O.C Relentless Matte Lip Crayon in the color Winterberry. Okay, there's just something that's so sexy and cozy about putting on a dark berry red lip color in the winter. I love the deep saturated shade of this matte crayon. The color glides on smoothly, and the pencil's precise pointed tip to define the Cupid's bow. The manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $22, and it can be purchased on W.O.C.com. And we do have a promotion code to get 25% off your order. And this goes through until April. That's a beautiful color. Our next product is another Sunday Riley product. All right, and it's the Sunday Riley CEO Glow Face Oil. It says face oils are excellent winter skin saviors, and this brand new one from Sunday Riley is especially good at turning my dull, dry skin dewy. It's got vitamin C to brighten, evening primrose oil to hydrate, and it's a fast absorbing texture. A manufacturer suggested retail price is $80. Okay, this too can be purchased at Sephora on Sephora.com. All right, we're going to use the absolute tiniest bit of this. Yes, it does what it says. Nice glowy skin. Look at that. Wow. We're up to product number 5 already. This one is the Mally Shadow Stick Extra in Burnish Bronze. Okay. Now this one says, this bronze eyeshadow is as versatile as it is sexy. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $25 and can be purchased at MallyBeauty.com. Look at that. Oh yeah, I'm going to try that out. I did receive something extra. And this is in the shade Call My Agent. That's what it says. Call My Agent. All right. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. And I hope that you look forward to the new things to come. As always, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with someone else. Okay? Until next time.